Hello everyone, Jason here, and what I want to show you is my PWA Partner with Anthony Quick Start sort of cheat sheet Chrome extension. The step-by-step task list, if you will, of things that you can do to set up your PWA funnel within a couple hours. It shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 hours to set it up, and then once it's fully functional, then start looking at purchasing some traffic. So what I did here is, if I go to step 1, purchase a domain name, and just pretty straightforward. I do intend to add some PDFs that have screenshots of certain things so you can actually see what it looks like on my computer screen, and all you have to do is just follow along and have your PWA funnel set up within a couple hours. The other thing I wanted to mention, when it comes to purchasing traffic, specifically solo ad traffic, I'm going to talk about that in step 8, because once you have your funnel up and running, now you have to drive traffic to it, right? So when it comes to solo ads, Anthony does a lot of training on that, so definitely look into it. But if you just wanted to, have a quick resource for some of the vendors out there, like Anthony's Fast Traffic Source, that's a website you can go to, dedicated emails, some other stuff, as well as some common questions to ask and some red flags to think about when it comes to solo ads. So I'm going to add that in this checklist. So once you've got your funnel up and running, now all you have to do is start looking for a vendor and submit your request and start driving traffic to your offer. All right, so this is a Chrome extension. It's going to be completely free, and it's really designed just to help you get up and running so you can start making commissions within 7 days or less. All right, that's all I wanted to show you. Take care.